Could inviting a fox into the hen house ever be a wise decision? This question looms large over South Africa as controversy swirls around the African National Congress's alleged invitation to Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU PF, to observe the upcoming elections. In recent weeks, South Africa has been a theatre of intense political drama. President Cyril Ramaphosa, while on the campaign trail in Atteridgeville, sought to clarify his party's position amidst rising allegations. He emphatically denied that the ANC had solicited ZANU PF's assistance for campaigning purposes in the elections slated for May 29, 2024. However, he did confirm that his party extended invitations to various international political entities, including ZANU PF, to serve as observers. This revelation has not sat well with many. Opposition leaders and parties have interpreted this move as a potential for undue influence, fearing that ZANU PF's involvement could extend beyond mere observation, given the party's notorious history with electoral conduct in Zimbabwe. The leader of Build One South Africa, Mmusi Maimane, was particularly vocal, accusing the ANC of potentially adopting manipulative electoral tactics akin to those observed in Zimbabwe. His party has gone so far as to lodge a formal complaint with the Electoral Commission, signaling a deep mistrust in the ANC's intentions. This controversy taps into a broader narrative of regional politics and the role of South Africa as a supposed beacon of democratic integrity in Africa. Historically, the ANC and ZANU PF share ideological and revolutionary ties, but inviting ZANU PF to observe elections has raised eyebrows, especially considering the ongoing democratic and human rights challenges in Zimbabwe. As the date for the elections approaches, the question remains: what does the ANC seek to demonstrate or gain from this invitation? And more importantly, how will this decision impact the perceived credibility of the electoral process in South Africa? In summary, President Ramaphosa's denial of using ZANU PF for campaign aid contrasts sharply with his confirmation of their role as observers. This has sparked a significant outcry among opposition parties, who view this as a potential threat to the integrity of South Africa's elections. The main controversy centers around the appropriateness of ZANU PF's involvement given its dubious record on electoral integrity. As the elections draw near, the eyes of both nations and the international community will be keenly watching, waiting to see how this complex political drama unfolds.